The Kalyani Rafael Advanced Systems has said that it has bagged a 690 crore rupees contract to supply 1000 Barak-8 medium-range surface-to-air systems for the Indian Army and the Indian Air Force, which would be supplied to Bharat Dynamics Limited for further integration. The Kalyani Rafael Advanced Systems is a joint venture between Rafael Advanced Systems of Israel and Kalyani Strategic Systems Limited of India. The Israeli company has invested over $250 million in India, and the company is also expected to ramp up its employee strength to 300 technical experts by the year 2023. India's Ministry of Defence has decided to scrap its September 2018 request for proposal for the procurement of 5,719 sniper rifles, along with 10.2 million rounds of ammunition for the Indian Army and the Indian Air Force. The request for proposal for the 982 crore rupees deal was withdrawn after the bid submitted by 4 foreign manufacturers had failed to meet the tender's qualitative requirements, and the absence of ammunition manufacturing capacity was not acceptable, because the Indian Army was looking to secure transfer of technology under the final deal. Experts have said that the new procurement process might include floating 2 separate requests for proposals, one for procuring the rifles, and the second for the ammunition. According to latest reports, the Indian Army has finally placed an order for procuring 240 spike systems from Israel, which have been made under the emergency procurement procedure to meet operational preparedness. The spike systems have a range of 4 kilometers and can be operated from different platforms in both mountains and plains. The Indian Army is also prioritizing the purchase of precision-guided kit for artillery ammunition, and this comes after the top officials of the Defence Ministry made presentations before the Defence Minister last month. The controller of Indian Navy's warship production and acquisition has said that the 50,000 crore rupees P-75I will be India's last overseas submarine procurement, and will be the last chance to obtain the technology for building the next 12 indigenous submarines. He also acknowledged that insufficient technology has been transferred in the ongoing Project P-75, which involves building 6 Scorpion-class submarines with the French firm Naval Group. He also added that it will be vital that the Indian shipbuilders are able to absorb the technology that is being provided by the foreign manufacturer. The Chinese media has reported that the development of China's second stealth fighter jet is progressing at a good speed, and the latest developments will be presented soon. The FC-31 has a maximum takeoff weight of 25 metric tons, a combat range of 1,200 kilometers, and a maximum speed of 2,205 kilometers per hour. It has a carrying capacity of 8 tons, and has a lifespan of 30 years. Germany's Rheinland Air Service has delivered the second RAS-72 aircraft to the Pakistan Navy, while the first aircraft was formally handed over in June 2018. The RAS-72 is a latest generation airborne platform for anti-submarine operations and maritime patrol missions, based on a cost-efficient twin-engine turboprop platform. According to latest reports, Israeli defense electronics company Elbit Systems is providing the comprehensive search and rescue package to the Indian Air Force at a cost of $45 million, for supplying 4,300 personnel rescue beacons, 160 airborne locator systems, and 350 emergency locator transmitters, and the process of fitting the systems on the aircraft will begin soon. The Indian Air Force Chief will be flying a Yak-130 Advanced jet trainer during his ongoing visit to Russia, leading to wide-scale speculations that the Air Force is searching for a Stage 2 trainer for its pilot training program. Russia has offered its trainer, after the intermediate jet trainer program of Hindustan Aeronautics was delayed due to technical reasons. Argentina has also offered its combat-capable Pampa-III advanced jet trainer, to be used to develop an India-specific trainer, using the technology of both countries.
Omar dropped it.